Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to do a flip reset on Rocket League. Flip resets in Rocket League demand deliberate control and precision, and here's how to approach them effectively. Firstly, simply being in the general area of the ball isn't enough. Approach the ball with purpose. Understand where your wheels must touch for a reset to trigger. All four wheels need to hit the ball. 2. A clean and controlled setup is crucial. Practice hitting the ball with consistent trajectory and velocity to ensure you're in control during the attempt. Develop strong air dribble fundamentals and learn to manipulate the ball mid-air while maintaining balance with your car. These skills allows for more accurate wheel placements. Now, the ball speed and spin impact how it interacts with your car. Just focus on approaching the ball at manageable speeds to control the flip reset. Throwing your car half-heartedly at the ball won't yield consistent resets. Train your setups, refine your car control, and aim for deliberate, precise touches. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.